Saucer, saucer, saucer. She placed the teacup on a saucer. Sink, sink, sink. She washed the dishes in the sink. Steamer, steamer, steamer. She used a steamer to cook vegetables. Soup ladle, soup ladle, soup ladle. She used a soup ladle to serve the broth. Soup spoon, soup spoon, soup spoon. He used a soup spoon to eat his hot soup. Spice container, spice container, spice container. She stored black pepper in a spice container. Stove, stove, stove. She cooked dinner on the stove. Toaster, toaster, toaster. He put bread in the toaster for breakfast. Tray, tray, tray. She served tea on a wooden tray. Tablespoon, tablespoon, tablespoon. She added 2 tablespoons of sugar to the cake mixture. Teapot, teapot, teapot. She poured hot water into the teapot. Teaspoon, teaspoon, teaspoon. She added a teaspoon of honey to her tea. Whisk, whisk, whisk. She used a whisk to beat the eggs. Bath foam, bath foam, bath foam. She poured some bath foam into the tub to relax. bath mat, bath mat, bath mat. She placed a bath mat next to the shower to prevent slipping. Bath towel, bath towel, bath towel. She grabbed a soft bath towel after her shower. Bathtub, bathtub, bathtub. She filled the bathtub with warm water and rose petals. Body lotion, body lotion, body lotion. She applied body lotion to keep her skin moisturized. Cold water faucet, cold water faucet, cold water faucet. She turned on the cold water faucet to rinse her face. Conditioner, conditioner, conditioner. She used conditioner to make her hair smooth and shiny. Drain, drain, drain. She cleaned the drain to prevent clogging. Face towel, face towel, face towel. She wiped her face with a soft face towel. Hair dryer, hair dryer, hair dryer. She used a hair dryer to dry her hair quickly. Hand towel, hand towel, hand towel. She hung a clean hand towel next to the sink. Hamper, hamper, hamper. She put her dirty clothes in the laundry hamper. Hot water faucet, hot water faucet, hot water faucet. She turned on the hot water faucet to take a warm shower. Medicine chest, medicine chest, medicine chest. She kept painkillers and bandages in the medicine chest. Mouthwash, Mouthwash. Mouthwash. He used mouthwash to keep his breath fresh. Nail brush. Nail brush. Nail brush. She scrubbed her nails with a nail brush after gardening. Shampoo, shampoo, shampoo. She used herbal shampoo to wash her hair. Shower, shower, shower. She took a quick shower before going to work. Shower cap, shower cap, shower cap. She wore a shower cap to keep her hair dry. Shower screen, shower screen, shower screen. The glass shower screen prevents water from splashing out. Soap, soap, soap. She washed her hands with scented soap. Shower curtain, shower curtain, shower curtain. She pulled the shower curtain before turning on the water. Shower head, shower head, shower head. She adjusted the shower head to get better water pressure. Soap dish, soap dish, soap dish. She placed the soap in the soap dish after washing her hands.